D. This is the letter D. D for doll. D for drum. D for dolphin. D for duck. D for dog. D for donkey. D for doll. D for doctor. D for dress. D for diamond. D for dinosaur. D for deer. D for dots. D for donut. D for desk. Doll, drum, dolphin. Duck, dog, donkey. Door, doctor, dress. Diamond, dinosaur, deer. Dots, donut, desk. This is the family of letter D.